कौन सी मॉल जाना था दुबई मॉल मैं ऐसे देखने जा रहा था बोल बोल खरीदने के बाद दुबई मॉल oh you want you have one
Yeah, what were you saying? No, they're so nasty. Please, 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 please. What did you say? Come on, no, please, please. And yeah, before you die,
your turn
and good luck. And what are you doing?